Carolina, western Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, north central Florida, northeastern South Carolina, southern Dillon County in South Carolina, northwestern Horry County in northeastern County in northeastern South Carolina until 9:30 p.m. At 8:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marion, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Dillon, Mullins, Latta, Van Bluff, Lakeview, Sellers, Galavant's Ferry, Fork, Blue Brick, Zion, Gateway, Barnesville, Rains, Floydale, Smithboro, Kemper, Green Sea, Nichols, and Marietta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees falling down, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901.